Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. Who is ready for fall? I certainly am. And every time I think of fall, I think of soup, stews, and chilies. And today we're going to be making my favorite soup in the whole world. And we're going to be starting off with some hot Italian sausage that I'm going to just simply cut from the casing. Once my sausage starts browning, I'm going to add in a little bit of bacon. Now at this point you can add as much or as little bacon as you would like. And the thing is, I just kind of like to get the process going of it all cooking together. The bacon really adds to this, but if you don't want to have it, you don't have to. I've got some celery and some onion there. I'm just tossing that in to kind of give it a head start in the soup. I'm also going to be putting in some carrots. There they are. Some fresh carrots that I just cut. And you just want to simply just kind of allow this to brown all together. I'm adding in some garlic. Now you can add in as much garlic as you want. You can also use, garlic powder. I'm just using minced garlic that I have bought from Walmart, as you can see there. And I'm just going to get this good and kind of start cooking, and boy is it going to smell the house up, and it is going to be really, really delicious. Now I'm adding in some potatoes. These are just inexpensive potatoes. I believe they're just small russets. I leave the skin on them, and I just kind of cut them into little small 1-inch cubes. I'm going to get that mixed in with the rest of the ingredients in the pot, and I'm going to add in a container of chicken stock. Once I add that, I'm going to fill that box of chicken broth up again with water and make sure that my potatoes are good and covered. And I'm going to bring this to a boil so that the potatoes get nice and done. Potatoes are nice and tender and al dente. I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of butter. There might have been a little more butter there, but that's okay. You can't go wrong with butter. I'm going to stir that down in, And then I'm going to add in 1 small container of heavy whipping cream. This is what is going to give this soup a dreamy, creamy consistency that really knocks this soup out of the ballpark. Now I'm going to add in some spinach. It's probably a couple cups worth. Now don't fret because it does look like a lot of spinach, but once it gets incorporated into your hot soup, it's really going to just kind of cook down to almost nothing. And so I let this soup kind of be on a very low simmer with the lid on it, and then we are ready to dish it out. And it is amazing. I serve this with garlic bread. Sometimes I'll make grilled cheese. Today we're just going to have some saltines, and it is delicious. Don't forget that cheese on top. That's going to make it even better. And I am topping mine with some grated Colby Jack. Now I'm going to make something really sweet and delicious. These are my cinnamon cream cheese pumpkin muffins that I absolutely love to make every single year. In fact, I crave these when the fall weather gets started. So the first thing you want to do is combine your dry ingredients, then your wet ingredients, and then you want to combine those together. Now, you will see in this video that you will be able to take a screenshot of all of the ingredients necessary to make the actual muffins. You do want to make sure that you get a pumpkin puree, not a pumpkin pie mix. They are sold in the same area, and I have made the mistake and grabbed the wrong can. So you want to make sure that you get the pumpkin puree. You want to line your muffin pan with some muffin liners. I bought mine from the Dollar Tree. They're very inexpensive, but this ensures that, your muffin will not stick to your muffin pan. I wasn't quite sure how many my recipe would actually make because I do like a rather large muffin, but you can actually make this recipe into mini muffins or muffins the size that you would like, and you would probably get a lot more out of this recipe than I would, but I like a nice substantial muffin. Place my muffins in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now we want to make our icing now that our muffins are fully cooled. I'm starting out with 8 ounces of cream cheese, and this is at room temperature so that it is easy to mix. Now I put in a little bit of vanilla, and I start out with about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Now remember, you can always add more, but you can't take out. I also add a little splash of milk and a little bit of cinnamon, and I just mix until the consistency is how I want it. You will want to keep these in your refrigerator. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you make this, let me know. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to go enjoy my muffin. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.